Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove or replace a headlight or replace a headlight bulb on a Jeep Wrangler. This one is the JK, so it's the same from 2007 all the way until now, 2015. Stay with us to see how we do that, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for about 5 new videos every week. So what you need to do, of course, you need to open the hood with the latches and just lift it up. And now right here, that's the grille. So what we need to do, there is 6 clips like that right here. What you need to do is just pull it up. Those sometimes tend to get stuck. You pull the cord and then you pull the clip like that. So we have 6 of them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Check. Okay, we're removing the last one right now. And now all you need to do is just pull the grille. It clips a little bit and you just pull it out of there. And right now the only thing that's holding it, or those are the clips I was telling you about, the only thing holding it is the turn signals right there. So if you need to replace the turn signal bulb, that's how you do it. You unscrew it, you go to the right clockwise about 90 degrees and you pull it out of there. Okay, now if you need to replace the headlight or the headlight bulb, what you need to do, right here there is 4 screws. That's with a torque teeth socket, little bitty socket. 1, 2, 3 right here and 4 on the top. So when you remove those 4 screws, the whole headlight comes off and the only thing holding it is the cable. So you can access the light bulb and replace it, or if you need to replace the headlight. Thank you guys. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.